Hello friends, how are you? Today we are going to discuss about Dabur share. The company has got manufacturing presence in 9 countries friends, and its products are sold across 100 plus countries. When it comes to the earnings per share, it has got 8.18 rupees friends, which is very good. Friends, if you have invested 1 lakh rupees on Dabur share during 2001, you must be receiving 44,76,000 rupees by now with an annual rate of interest of 21.25%, which no bank will ever pay you anywhere in the world. The price of Dabur share is always in an upward trend since 2005 friends, which means if you invest on Dabur, you will never be losing money. Also, if you look at the debt structure, the company has reduced its debt almost to half from 2019 to 2020, and the cash and cash equivalents have increased it to 4,000 crores from 3,750 crores. If you observe the statistics of this share, the earnings per share and the dividends per share, even the book value as well, is always in an upward trend. The fixed assets, which includes goodwill and the reserves and the surplus of this company, are always in an upward trend, friends. The profit after tax is always in an upward trend with an operating margin of almost 20% all the time. It is no irony that the Dabur is well known to even a small kid, and its brands are very prominent among the people. The company draws revenue from different areas of the world, which includes Asia, Middle East, Africa, Europe, and America. Dabur has launched 80 new products very recently. See, friends, they have launched products in almost every segment they are operating on. Imagine how big is the product portfolio and how much revenue it is going to bring into the business in the coming days. The company has launched 30 new products in the overseas markets, which shows that it has got huge aspirations for the upcoming years. Coming to the financial 2021 quarter 1 results, the company has got a quarter-on-quarter growth of 6.17% and a decline of 12.90% in net sales, and a growth of 18% and a decline of 8.9% in the EBITDA. A decline in net profit has been observed on the stock, but a good recovery in demand has been seen in July as compared to that of the months of May and June this year, friends. The company also expects the deficit gap of financial year 2021 to be most made up by financial year 2021 on account of the demand revival. Dabur also has ventured into baby care food products and apple cider vinegar, which makes the management to expect 8 to 10% value growth in financial year 2021. Operating margins are expected to remain stable as higher advertisement expenses will be mitigated through cost optimization. ROCE will be continued to be at 24%. As new products were launched, we may expect a good growth in the coming days. The brand Dazzle and Air Sanitages under the brand Odonil has been a huge success in the past. If you are looking for the price projections of Dabur, it would go to 516 to 524 range in the short term and 532 to 580 rupees range in the medium term and 590 plus in the long term. However, we request you to exercise caution while investing based on our recommendations because the prices may fluctuate due to various reasons. So please take your own call. If you like our video, please do subscribe our channel and keep checking this space for the updates on the other upcoming penny stocks, friends. Also, please let us know if you get benefited from any of our insights. That would be an encouragement for us to provide further more updates.